In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to set a single Excel cell value automatically without Excel being installed. Please note that not the only way of modifying Excel files. Our software has a lot of functionality designed to work with Excel files. You can update Excel files, create files, extract data from Excel files. You can use manage Excel files, or you can use templates. So here we have Excel file, and what we want to do, we want to change word harvest to plan. And let's close the file, and we create new workflow package called set Excel cell value. Okay, we need to drag and drop appropriate action, select the file, and the sheet is called potatoes. And so let's call it B1, and the value would be plan. As you can see, it is extremely easy. So what we need to do now, we need to run our workflow, just run it, and check if the value was actually changed. See, it is same plan now. Okay, say for example, we want to change this cell in all our files in the directory. This can be easily done by using a file loop. Correction files loop. Set it to starting point. Join it. Now we need to select the file. And since we are working with multiple files, we need to change it to mask. Very easy. And we set variable to file. And we need to change parameter type to file, to variable, sorry. And the variable name is file. And that's it. We are ready to run. Check the actual files. So the same plan. Excellent. Okay, thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, please go to our support forum and we will do our best to help you. Thank you. Bye.